Bookkeeping is important for helping you maintain accurate financial records. Yet still many businesses fail to implement this integral process. Besides the fact you are required under the law to maintain accurate books and records, doing so will save you frustration later on. Poor accounting is one of the top reasons businesses fail. I'm Ms. Tax on Track, the CEO and founder of Tax on Track. And without bookkeeping or accounting, you are blindly driving your business. Still not convinced that your focus needs to be on bookkeeping? Well, here are some reasons why bookkeeping is important. Bookkeeping is important because it helps you budget. When income and expenses are reported properly organized, it's easier to review your financials. A budget creates a financial roadmap for your business. A budget helps you plan for future expenses and anticipate the funds necessary to cover those expenses. Bookkeeping is important in the tax preparation process. It makes tax filing more efficient. With bookkeeping in place, you can have financial information ready for tax filing. Instead of having to scramble for receipts or invoices, all of your financial information is organized in one place. Bookkeeping is important because it helps with business analysis. It is a tool used by management and owners to analyze business performance. The product of business bookkeeping is financial statements. Those financial statements should be regularly generated and used for this analysis. While analyzing financial statements, you can track your cash inflows and outflows. Bookkeeping gives you information on which lines of business are working or not working. This type of analysis allows to focus on your company's strengths and weaknesses and where you can improve. With analysis comes better decision making. In order to make the best decision possible for your business, you need to have access to all available information. Bookkeeping provides such information. How can you expect to make profitable decisions without financial information to back it up? Bookkeeping presents the past financial information for your company. In order to plan for the future, you have to have a good understanding of past activities. Bookkeeping will give you the clear picture of what exactly works and doesn't work for your business. Bookkeeping not only helps you with planning for strategic purposes, but also plays a major role in tax planning. Bookkeeping gives your bookkeeper the necessary information to properly categorize revenues and expenses. With bookkeeping, you can structure certain expenses to be more favorable. For example, if you have a regularly scheduled meeting with your client, you might decide to provide lunch during that meeting. This has a favorable tax benefit for your business because it becomes deductible. Bookkeeping is important because it allows you to take control of your business finances. Bookkeeping paints a clear picture of how you spend money in your business. You can see outstanding invoices that you are owed and that you owe vendors. You will benefit from paying all of your bills on time and receiving payments for your product or service in a timely manner. It's this delicate balance of cash inflow and outflow that will keep your business growing and thriving. Bookkeeping is important because it shows your business's profitability. For example, the income statement is one of the financial statements that is prepared for your business. On the income statement, you can see if your business is profitable or not. Without this information, it is impossible to know how well or not so well your business is doing. Bookkeeping also helps with tracking growth and development. Over time, you will accumulate months and even years of data. With this data, you can observe trends and gain a greater understanding of your business's cycles and compare the results across a period of time. Technical and strategic planning is the core of what we do as business owners. We're always thinking of ways to grow and develop our businesses. With bookkeeping as a tool, it gives you the necessary things to become closer to your short and long-term goals. You should use this information that bookkeeping offers you to focus on such strategies. You can track the results of your strategy with bookkeeping and adjust your goals accordingly as you proceed. bookkeeping provides financial information about your company in the form of financial statements. Financial statements such as the balance sheet, the income statement, and cash flow statements all provide financial information for a set period of time. Together, these financial statements give you a snapshot of your business, allowing you the ability to see how well your business is performed. In the unfortunate circumstances that you are audited by the IRS, you definitely want to make sure your books are in order. Messy, disorganized books prolong the auditing process and makes your business susceptible to fees and penalties. If the IRS feels that your books are disorganized or outdated, they have more motivation to impose penalties. When faced with an audit, it's best to make their job a lot easier as much as possible by providing them with what they request in a timely fashion. Otherwise, you give them time to start digging and to find issues with your business. With a lot of fraud occurring over the last year, I expect the IRS to increase a lot of audits, especially for businesses. Last but not certainly least, the law requires you to keep business financial records for your company. It also requires you to separate those business financial records from your personal financial records. Failing to do so can lead to termination of your business, penalties, and fees, including imprisonment. With all the changes coming due to the global pandemic and many businesses receiving the PPP and SBA disaster loans, and both are required to have impeccable bookkeeping, especially the PPP loan, if you are looking to receive the loan forgiveness. You now know why bookkeeping is important. It can save you money, time, and headaches. If you find yourself needing to implement a bookkeeping process, consider hiring a bookkeeping professional to help you. Accounting and bookkeeping can be complicated and convoluted. Even classifying a single transaction can be unclear if you've never done bookkeeping before. So contact us today and ask yourself, how will I use bookkeeping to benefit my business? No longer do you have to worry yourself about your company's books. Just click that link in our bio to schedule a bookkeeping consultation today. Until next time, have a great day.